arrested. Look at that picture there. Got a big smile on his face, cocky lips, thought it was funny. So he had to rat his buddy out to save his hide in. That's the only reason he did it, to save his own hide in. Or else he'd be on the street now, don't he's got a history of doing it. I know that for a fact. And I didn't do it. He wants to tell, he wants team challenge with this guy? This prick in whatever, 15 years, ain't near enough. Not nearly enough for what he done. I got people, you talk about his progression medicine, half my freaking family's on the shit now for that freaking piece of crap right here. He's the cause of it. You know, then you're smiling. And then Instagram, it's all there. He's got a history, he does, he finally got tossed the problem. And anything less than the maximum you get is pure wrong, if it's wrong for everybody. Our community especially. He'll be back on the street again. That man, as far as I'm concerned, should never see the street again. And I believe he's going to go right back to it. Like the rest of his buddies are getting down here in 4 months, a year, whatever. They're all going to go back to it. I know it, you know it. It's going to happen.
I begin to tell you how much we've lost to the community, the family, his brothers. I believe this is, you know, almost a perfect crime for Bumstead. He don't show no remorse whatsoever. He could have easily planned the whole thing out by the looks of the Instagram pictures and blamed it all on Wycliffe for all I know. I think what he did, I can't even imagine. My son had so much going for him. From the time he was 5 until the day he passed away, he was involved in at least two to four sports. He was a hunter. He knew his way around guns. He would never use them on anybody. Not in any circumstance unless, especially not something as violent as what Alex Bumstead did. And I'm not going to be able to handle the fact if he gets less than what his maximum sentence is. I am on 3 different medications right now. One had to get doubled. I'm taking serious counseling. I'll never get over this, and neither will his brothers, the community, our family, and who's going to be next? What parent is going to be next to hear that somebody like him or him does this to their son or daughter and they get the phone call like I received 4 days before Christmas? We'll never have another holiday like we used to have. Because of him, he pointed out people. He could have stopped it. I mean, if he was standing right beside the other guy, why couldn't he have stopped him from shooting, emptying a whole gun into a house that night? Because they were asked to leave. This group of kids got together every year to celebrate Christmas. It was just a small group. This wasn't nothing unnormal. They were asked to leave, so why couldn't they have just left? I just don't understand. And I'm not going to understand if he just walks away. And the teen challenge idea makes me sick too.
And I'm truly sorry for the part that I played and what eventually led to the shooting of your son. I wish a lot of things didn't happen that night. I wish Megan's car never got stuck as we were trying to leave. I wish the fight between Tone and Julius never happened. And it's very clear to me as I stand here sober a year later that it was very dangerous to point out to Deontay, the man who stomped his friend unconscious. I've learned from this how partying and using drugs and alcohol can cloud judgment and lead to horrible consequences. There's no rational way to understand why someone would shoot under those circumstances, and there's no way to justify it. And Gary was an innocent bystander, and I'm horribly sorry for the loss of his life.
Thank you.